The sun breaks across a quiet horizon, and from the mist, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome camper truck appears. Sleek, tall, and commanding. Its white body gleams against the light, the chrome details reflecting a quiet kind of confidence. This isn't just a truck, it's a moving masterpiece, built for those who crave open roads and endless skies. Welcome back to Car Flair, where machines become art and journeys turn into stories worth remembering. Today, we bring you something extraordinary. The all-new Volvo Motorhome Camper Truck 2026, a creation that defines what modern travel truly feels like. From the outside, the design commands attention. The front grille carries Volvo's signature strength, flanked by sharp LED beams that slice through the air like light through glass. The body lines flow smooth and muscular, built to glide effortlessly yet stand bold in any terrain. Solar panels rest above the roof, feeding quiet energy to the heart of this mobile home. Every edge, every curve tells the story of Scandinavian precision. Strong, silent, and stunning in motion. Underneath the hood, power meets grace. The 2026 Volvo runs on a refined hybrid engine delivering around 400 horsepower, paired with advanced torque control that ensures smooth climbs and steady hauls. The electric assist makes highway cruising almost whisper quiet, while adaptive suspension reads the road and reacts in real time. It's not just more efficient than the previous generation, it's smarter, lighter, and tuned for performance without compromise. The earlier model felt capable, this one feels alive. Step closer, and the magic continues inside. The lounge and lunch area greet you first, bright, spacious, elegant. Soft Scandinavian leather wraps the seats, set around a handcrafted wooden table. Warm lights glow above, reflecting softly off the matte surfaces. Large windows bring in sweeping views of wherever you wander, from misty coastlines to mountain trails. Every inch of space whispers calm and comfort. Just beyond, the kitchen blends practicality with beauty. Sleek cabinets conceal a full-featured setup, an induction stove, a hidden refrigerator, and clever storage for every utensil. The layout feels open yet compact, designed for motion and comfort. You can make a full meal here while the horizon rolls by outside your window. The bathroom stands as a quiet retreat. A rainfall shower, modern sink, and softly lit mirror come together in elegant simplicity. It's efficient, fresh, and private, a touch of home in the middle of nowhere. Further back, the bedroom offers peace beyond measure. A plush double bed sits beneath a skylight where stars drift into view each night. Hidden drawers, ambient lighting, and gentle air circulation complete the serenity. It feels less like sleeping in a truck and more like drifting through a dream. At the front, the driver's cabin welcomes you with sophistication. A digital cockpit, adaptive steering, and 360-degree camera vision make long drives effortless. Volvo's hallmark safety systems guard you quietly, ensuring confidence at every turn. As night settles, the Volvo Motorhome camper truck rests under the glow of its own lights, calm, powerful, and timeless. A new kind of luxury has arrived, not bound by roads, but defined by them. Subscribe to Car Flair for more incredible machines like this, because adventure, like this Volvo, never stops moving.